Upholstery, year 1, quarter 1. Workplace safety. Accidents on the job happen more frequently when employees are doing a repetitive job. Something unexpected happens, or they are inexperienced or overconfident about using the tool. Choose the right tools and take care of them. 1. Buy quality tools. Hammers with wooden handles are not as safe as those made of steel handles. Make sure steel tools are heat treated. Number 2. Regularly inspect tools to ensure they are in good condition and work properly. Number 3. If you find something wrong with the tool, don't use it and report the problem. Number 4. Perform regular maintenance on your tools. Number 5. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions. Number 6. Keep extra tools handy in case the tool you had planned to use is damaged. Number 7. Make sure to store your tools in a safe place. Keep sharp edges from children and others who may get hurt trying to use the tools. Number 8. When working at heights, do not leave tools where they could fall on workers below. Tips for using pneumatic tools safely. Wearing eye and face protection is an important safety measure for working with pneumatic tools. Number 1. Verify that all parts of the tool are fastened securely before each use. Never point a compressed staple or nail gun at yourself or another person. When you are finished using a staple or nail gun, make sure the pressure is released before you break the hose connection. Never store an air gun that is loaded. Number 4. Use a safety clip or retainer to prevent attachments from being ejected. Number 5. Always wear eye protection. Number 6. Ensure a secure work environment by using screens to protect nearby workers from flying fragments. Number 7. Never leave tools unattended. Personal protective equipment, PPE, legalization. The Occupational Health and Safety Regulations state that where personal protective equipment has to be worn, it is the employer's responsibility to ensure that the PPE can adequately control the hazard that employees are exposed to. Overalls are predominantly used as protective wear when at work, to be worn over clothes, protecting your clothes and the individual spatters and mess. Safety glasses. Safety goggles are a mandatory PPE for any workplace. Safety glasses are eye protection gear. It protects against dust particles and other flying debris that can cause serious eye conditions like corneal abrasions or scratches. A dust mask. Dust masks are one of the most regularly used personal protective equipment. The dust masks have become an essential safety requirement for work sites all over the world, which are used to protect the user's noses and mouths against dust and gases. Measurement. Measuring equipment. A tape measure. Equipment used. Measure large pieces of wood, usually measuring in meters. Care and maintenance. Clean with a lint-free cloth. A measuring tape. Measure pieces with curves. Can measure in meter, centimeter and millimeter. Keep dry to prevent rusting. A swing gauge. Measure smaller lengths like seams and hems, measuring in centimeter and millimeter. No direct sunlight to prevent stretching. A steel ruler. Measure foam and material and marking it for cutting, measuring in centimeter and millimeter. Make sure numbers and marking are legible. Square ruler. Measure foam and material and marking it for cutting, making sure corners are 90 degrees. Check to make sure the measurements are still accurate. Measuring with a steel ruler and measuring tape. A steel ruler used to measure smaller straight pieces of materials. Measuring tape fabric used to measure curves. Measuring tape steel used to measure big pieces of wood and other large materials. Basic units of measurement. Millimeter to measure small lengths like seams, hems, buttonholes, etc. Centimeter to measure a bit longer lengths like seams, hems, pattern pieces, etc. Meter to measure longer lengths like when you buy fabric or wood. Calculations converting from millimeter, centimeter and meter. From meter to centimeter times 100. Centimeter to millimeter times 10. From millimeter to centimeter, and then from centimeter to meter. Calculate perimeter and area and volume. Perimeter, the distance around the shape, measured in units. Calculation is side plus side plus side plus side. The area, the space that covers a flat surface, measured in square units. Calculation, length, time, wide. Volume, the space taken up by a 3D space, measured in cubic units. Calculation, length times wide times height. Okay. Top view, what you see when you look at something from directly above. Front view, what you see when you look at something from directly in front. Side view, what you see when you look at something exactly from the side.